tired mood. We are looking for the baggage drop now so we can go walk around the city for a bit. And then we'll go to Pisa tonight. Apparently this is my mom's favorite city, so we'll find out why. And hopefully we can find a place to put our bags. We found it. Yeah. Just dropped off our bags.
Good?
It is so much sunnier here than the weather said. I don't know why the train said that. But it's pretty beautiful. Gonna try to find Wi-Fi and decide if we are in the center of the city or if we need to take the subway. Got smoothies. I got strawberry banana.
I got pina colada.
Very nice. Liking Florence so far.
At first I thought that this was scaffolding, but it's not.
This is really cool. Yeah, this does look like the scaffolding. Go, sneak under. Go, go.
Very brittle.
Brittle?
Yeah.
Only stopped in Florence for 5 hours and now I'm wishing that we had stayed longer because it's so beautiful here. I feel like half of Florence is made up of American students studying abroad. Everywhere I turn, I just hear English being spoken in an American accent. It's kind of comforting after a while, but it feels very strange.